Can a coffee king survive a tariff storm? Jim Cramer says yes, despite new tariffs on Brazilian coffee beans rattling Wall Street. Jim Cramer believes Starbucks' global reach and savvy leadership make it uniquely equipped to weather supply chain shocks and keep brewing profits. Now, this is the monthly chart, and my eyes gravitate to this drop in price, two basing candles, and then the rally out. And so we are going to call that monthly buyers at $73. All right, now when you look at current price and you go up and to the left, you see all-time highs have been reached not once but twice. And so these two red expanded range candles suggest price has an opportunity to return to all-time highs. However, price must first deal with this wick over wick, which represents potentially weekly sellers on the weekly time frame. So let's zoom on down to the weekly chart. And as I suspected, you had this drop in price, couple of basing candles, and then the drop out. So leg in, basing candles, leg out. And so right now price is hovering for the past couple of weeks as the battle between the buyers and sellers occur between, say, $95 and $100. We'll call that weekly sellers at $97. All right, let's zoom on down to the daily chart. But before we do, you see this extended range green candle, drop, basing candles, rally. We're going to say below the current lows of April, this is where you have remaining unfilled buy orders. All right, let's take it down to the daily chart. You did have some buyers at this level here, but the probability of this working out is low because right above it sits a monthly or weekly sellers level. It also indicates that prices are selling at retail, which is premium, which is expensive, right? The best level to have gotten along was down when price was at a discount. And even when you get above this weekly sell level, you have to contend with daily sell levels. You have two. So can Starbucks head higher? Yes, but it's going to take some time for the buyers to eat up all the sellers. When I zoom back out to the weekly chart, the chart is suggesting prices can move higher, but the fast money has already been made in Starbucks.